What's the meaning of breastplate? Breastplate. Breastplate.
Breastplate. Breastplate. A breastplate is a type of armor that is designed to protect the chest and torso. It typically consists of a piece of metal or other hard material that is shaped to fit the body and attached to straps that go over the shoulders and around the waist. Breastplates have been used throughout history by soldiers, knights, and other warriors to protect themselves from weapons such as swords, spears, and arrows. The breastplate is an essential piece of armor that provides vital protection in combat, and its design and construction have evolved over the centuries to meet the changing needs of warriors and soldiers.